It's a beautiful day over here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa, and here we present to you a 2023 Wrangler that just showed up on the lot. Now this is basically a brand new Jeep at only 200 miles, but you get the benefits of having a certified pre-owned vehicle, so you're getting a new Jeep at a used car price. Now the nice thing about this Jeep is it's already built and ready to go. The only thing that you need to add to this is you in the driver's seat. Now this Jeep has a 3.5-inch Teraflex lift kit, got a stubby front bumper with a 9,500-pound winch, perfect for pulling all your Bronco buddies out. It's also got 37s on it. Nice C-range tire, so it's nice and cushy on the street, but perfect to take out on the trails. Got running boards on the side to help get you in. It is a little on the tall side. And it's even got some lights up on the front so you can do some night wheeling with it. Now this one here also has a roof rack up on the top. That way you can store an extra tire, maybe some camping gear, whatever it is you might need to throw up that you don't want to put inside the cab. And on the back, it's got a tire relocation kit with a matching spare, and even has a high lift jack up on the back for it. That way if you ever have an issue, need to swap a tire out on the trail, there's nothing that you need to worry about. You are ready to go. It's a beautiful Jeep right here. Look at that. Like I said, this one is certified, so you're getting a brand new Jeep at a used car price. Come on and check this bad boy out today. Come on in and ask for stock number SFJ05949.